Hello, grade 9 students. This is part 1, 1.2. This is part 1.2 of our discussion on the standard form of the equation of circle. This is quarter 3, week number 2 of the subject Analytic Geometry. So for the objectives today, we're going to write the standard form of the equation of circle. Graph a circle by hand and with a calculator using the standard form of the equation of circle. And for our advanced lesson, we're going to work with the general form of an equation of circle. So a circle is a set of points in the xy plane that are fixed distance r from a fixed point hk, which is called the center. Okay, where hk is the center of the circle and r is the radius. So we have here a cartoon picture. I've got it too, Omar. Strange feeling like we've just been going in circles. Yan. Medyo historical yan. Bilog ang mundo. So the standard form of the circle, where the center is at hk, we have here x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. R is the radius of the circle, hk is the center. And how about the general form of circle? Every binomial squared has been multiplied out. Every term is on the left side set equal to 0. Example, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equals 0. Is an example of the equation of circle in general form. So, parang advanced lesson natin to. We're still on general form, but we'll have a little bit of advanced lesson on general form. So example number 1, write the standard form for the equation of a circle with center 3, negative 2 and a radius 4. So it says here, the center is at 3, negative 2. So that means h is 3, k is negative 2, r is 4. So to determine its equation in standard form, just substitute it to this equation. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So h is 3, k negative 2, r is 4. So we have x minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus negative 2 quantity squared equals 4 squared. Then let's go and simplify. So x minus 3 quantity squared plus y plus 2 quantity squared equals 4 squared is 16. Is the equation of the circle whose center is 3, negative 2, radius is 4. Okay? How do we know that the radius is 4? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. Radius is 4. Another, write an equation of a circle with center negative 4, 0 and a diameter of 10. How is this? So we have h negative 4, k0, okay, 2r is equal to 10. We all know that twice the radius is diameter, and 1/2 of the diameter is the radius. So if the diameter is 10, just divide it by 2. That will be the length of the radius, which is 5. Diba? 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5, substitute x minus negative 4 squared plus y minus 0 quantity squared equals 5 squared. So the equation is x plus 4 quantity squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, if we're going to subtract y by 0, simply y. So yan na yung equation of the circle. Write an equation of the circle with center 2, negative 9 and radius of square root of 11. So h is positive 2, k negative 9, radius is 11. So substitute in the standard form of the equation of circle. X minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus negative 9 quantity squared equals square root of 11 squared. So this is now the answer. The equation of the circle, x minus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 9 quantity squared equals 11. Whose center is 2, negative 9, radius square root of 11. Now find the coordinates of the center and measure of the radius of the equation. X minus 6 squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared equals 25 squared. Okay, that's very easy. Center and radius can be easily recognized in the equation of circle given in standard form. So H is 6, K is negative 3, while R is 25. And opposite signs. So if we have here x minus 6, that means H is positive 6. If we have here plus 3, y plus 3, here. If we have here y plus 3, remember the opposite sign. What is the opposite of positive 3? Negative 3. Yan. Therefore, the center is 6, negative 3, while the radius is, take the square root. It's 25. 25 squared is 625. Square root of 625 is 25. Yun. So, the center is 6, negative 3, radius is 25. Find the center, radius, and the equation of the circle of the figure here. So, it's easy to say that the center is at the origin. So, 0, 0. While the radius is, you can count it, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 12 is the radius. Therefore, the equation is, we all know from our lesson, standard form of circle, part 1.1. This is part 1.2. So if the center is 0, 0, the equation is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 144. 12 squared is 144. Okay? Another. Find the center, radius, and equation of the circle. Okay, what's the center? Can you locate the center? It's most probably here. Maybe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayun, dito na. Center is at 1, negative 3. Here. Kasi 7 yan, 17 dyan. Ito yung gitna. That means it's the center. 1, negative 3 is the center. The radius is 7. Therefore, the equation is x minus 1 quantity squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared equals 49. Diba? Just take the opposite sign. Positive 1 minus 1. Negative 3, positive 3. Square of 7 is 49. Graph the circle. Identify the center and radius. X minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 9. So, what's the center? 3, 2. Yes. Well, the radius is square root of 9, 3. So, kaya na mag-graph nito using your graphing paper and compass in drawing the circle. So, let us have here an advanced lesson. Let us learn how to convert general form to standard. So, these are the steps. Move the x terms together and the y terms together. Move c to the other side. Complete the squares needed for x. Complete the squares needed for y. Factor the left and simplify the right. Write the standard equation of the circle. State the center and radius. We have here x squared plus 8x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. So this is an equation of circle in general form. So how do we find the center and radius? Let us first write this in its equivalent standard form. So first let us square x, combine x squared and negative 8x. Yung y squared wala siyang partner, then transpose yung constants 7. So negative 7. So let us now complete the square. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So mag plus 16 tayo. Plus 16 ka rito, plus 16 ka rin doon. So this become x minus 4 quantity squared plus y squared equals negative 7 plus 16 is 9. So as you can see, the equation here, the general form becomes standard form of circle, where we can be able to state the center and radius, which is 4, 0 is the center, radius is 3. Yes, square root of 9 is 3. 4, 0 is the center. Another, first let us transpose negative 3 to positive 3, then combine x squared and 4x, combine y squared and negative 6y. Then let us complete the square here. What will we add here? 4 divided by 2 is 2, so plus 4. Plus 4 ka dyan. Dito naman, plus 9. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So if I added 4 and 9 here, I also added 4 and 9 to the right side of the equation. So then you factor the trinomial x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 3 plus 4 plus 9 is 16. So as you can see, the general becomes the standard form of the circle, where the center is negative 2, positive 3, radius is 4. Negative 2, 3 is the radius. I'm sorry, center is negative 2, 3, radius is 4, square root of 16. Another 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 16x plus 4y plus 20 equals 0. This is not written in general form because mayroong coefficient na 2 yung x squared and y squared. Dapat wala. So, first step, we must divide all terms by 2. So, it becomes x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 2y plus 10 equals 0. Then, you transpose 10. Negative 10 siya. Combine x squared minus 8x, y squared plus 2y. Then complete the square. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 4 plus 16. Dito naman plus 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So, plus 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 1. So, we have we factor the trinomial x minus 4 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared equals negative 10 plus 16 plus 1 is 7. So, from general form, it becomes standard form of the equation of circle. Therefore, the center is 4, negative 1. Radius is square root of 7, or approximately 2.6. Write the general form of the equation of the circle x minus 4 quantity squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared equals 36. Okay. Ito naman standard to general. Baliktad. Vice versa siya. So, to do this, just square this binomial and that binomial and then combine similar terms. So, x minus 4 quantity squared, x squared plus minus 8x plus 16. Y plus 3 squared is y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 36. Yan. Transpose 36, so minus 36. Then combine similar terms. First, you annex x squared and y squared together. Then, to be followed by x variable minus 8x to be followed by 6y. Then you add subtract 9 and 36, which is negative 11. 16 plus 9 minus 36 is negative 11. So from standard, it becomes a general form of the equation of circle. So for your homework, answer page 49, 1 to 4, 7 to 43 by 45. Bring in textbook on Monday. Bring in your note card purchase day. Yes. Goodbye, and thank you very much.